Our LED side repeaters provide better light output than conventional bulbs, and our subtle customization keeping the traditional look of your car with the modern sweeping indicator. They are available in either a clear or smoked finish. The side repeaters are a direct replacement for your existing side repeaters, so there is minimal installation required. Simply remove the old side repeaters and swap them with the new ones to begin using immediately. The complete kit is only £40 including UK postage and packing. Visit our website or scan the QR code to order yours today.